I'm Joshua with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install green board. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we'll be using a battery-powered drill with the Phillips tip bit. If you have a quarter drill or a drywall drill, that works too. You also need some drywall screws. I like to use about 1 5/8 inches. Now, green board is actually installed in high moisture areas, a bathroom, a laundry room, places like that, because it's mold resistant. So we'll go ahead and set it up into place. Now we have our green board set up, and we're actually going to join in a piece of drywall on the side, so we split our stud. That's one thing I like about this, is you can kind of just separate it whenever you want to, stop using your green board and dive into drywall. So we'll take one screw, put it into place. And you want to recess it in there just a little bit, so that way when you mud it, you don't have any screws sticking out and catching your trowel. Now, we'll move our drywall over into place. We have our drywall up, and we're going to go ahead and just start a screw right above the other one. Then we'll push it up tight and put our screw in. So then you'll go ahead and screw off all your green board and your drywall and space your screws about 18 inches apart on every stud. Now when it comes to taping your green board, they actually have a mold resistant tape that you can use. It's green. That way you can put it in those high moisture areas, and you can go ahead and use it on your regular drywall too. The mud doesn't come in a mold resistant mud. You can just use the same mud that you use everywhere else on any other drywall. So you go ahead and install your tape, splitting your seams. And instead of carrying a razor blade, I just carry my trowel, push it down on there, and cut it just like that. That way you can bring it on down and end it wherever you need to, at the floor or a different joint. I'm Joshua with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about how to install green board. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with this project.